Go home happy with the 2020 Subaru Ascent. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a stylish and versatile Ascent that's ready for your family adventures. Smooth and capable, this spacious 3-row SUV packs the features you need to keep your crew safe, comfortable, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, sunroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, heated rear seat. Feel excited about the journey in this feature-rich Ascent. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.